Hey folks, I'm back here with this Sun 45. I thought for once maybe I'd do a follow-up video instead of just leaving it hanging. I've been thinking around with this thing for several days now. I have good news, bad news, and a bit of interesting findings with this thing. So let's maybe take the interesting parts first. The first thing is there were some, I'll call it clues about this thing that were like looking at me right in the face when I first powered it on in my earlier video, and I just didn't connect the dots about it. Those clues lead me to believe that this machine actually was used in a medical facility, and that it was used for medical imaging, specifically like a CT machine or an MRI machine. The first thing that caught my eye, and I didn't notice this. It didn't even occur to me to even really look into it until my buddies mentioned looking at the dip switches on the graphics card. And it's actually not a standard graphics card at all. It's a graphics card made by this company called Dome Imaging Systems, which I've never heard of, and they appear to be bought by another company. They were bought out by another company in like 2008. So I was unable to find any documentation about their graphics card that came in this unit, and the graphic card isn't listed in the Solaris 10 XOR driver library. So the non-standard graphics card is like number one. That's like a weird thing. The second thing, which you probably saw in my first video, is when you're booting the machine, there's this message on the screen as it probes the I/O buses for Siemens Magic View 1000. I didn't know what that was. I just figured it was some onboard graphics circuitry. Maybe, I don't know. I thought it was standard or something on these machines, but no, not at all. In fact, Siemens Magic View 1000 is a peripheral that interfaces between the machine and the device it's hooked up to, either again a CT or an MRI type device, and that is apparently baked into the open boot ROM or what have you, without any devices plugged into the system. You still see that Siemens Magic View load during boot. So, and that's before you even boot off the disk. That this is the open boot prompt, your display that shows that. So that's interesting. Cool. So that kind of leads me hanging here because I don't have a graphics card for this thing at the moment. I don't really want to spend $100 on a graphics card for this thing at the moment. If I find a good deal on one, I'll spurge a little bit on one and pop it in here. VCF Midwest is coming up. Maybe I'll get lucky and find one there. The good news, though, is that the system operates fine with that one. Of course, it's, text console only. I can, use it via serial or SSH, right? So it's a healthy unit. It's got 4 gigs of RAM in it. It's got two 1.6 gig Spark 3i processors in it. I slapped a Western Digital Black in it, which after several days of usage is now performing a file system check. So there's that. But anyways, I was able to get Solaris 10 installed on it easily. So that's pretty much it. It's a nice, clean, it's a beautiful machine. I'm gonna close it up and set it. Well, I'll just add it here to the lab. I might use it as a server for now. And well, that's about it. If you happen to have a lead on a graphics card for a Sun Ultra 45 workstation, let me know. That's about it. So thanks for watching, and I will start on the next project, which it's hard to say what that'll be, but stay tuned. Thanks.